This is a demo video for the Twitter clone project, and the agenda of this video is to show various features we have implemented and error handling techniques, and finally a short code walkthrough. First, we will spawn the server and three different clients to show different features we have implemented. And the server is up and running, and three clients were created. We want to register first, so it's one when his password is 123, and we want to log in. This account password is 123. So we want to register Dr. Dobra, and his password is 234. Logged in. Finally, we want to register Akshat, and log into his account. We created three users and we successfully logged in to all the three users, and Akshat wanted to subscribe to me and Dr. Dobra. We see here subscribe to Dr. Dobra successful, subscribe to Bhana successful, and I want to subscribe to Dr. Dobra. So both me and Akshat are now listening to Dr. Dobra's messages. So Dr. Dobra is making a tweet. Hello students. Hashtag DYSB and grades were out. Since me and Akshat both were registered to subscribe to Dr. Dobra, once he makes the tweet, both the terminals should get those tweets. So we see here we got this tweet, and in two places that shows that the subscription works. And the next thing is I want to make a new tweet telling that we enjoyed Dr. Dobra. Thank you, there, Dr. Dobra. We enjoyed. So once I send this tweet, it should send to Dr. Dobra and Akshat, because Akshat subscribed to me and I am mentioning Dr. Dobra in my tweet. That shows. So we see here, thank you, Dr. Dobra. We enjoyed your class. This shows that mentions work. And then the next thing I want to show you is about querying. I want to make a query with hashtags, and I want to match the pattern of DYSP. So if I try this, two records, I'm expecting two records. First one is from thank you, Dr. Dobra. We enjoyed DOS class. And the second one is hello students, DOS grades were out. So that shows that querying is also looking cool. And there is one feature called retweet, where I can take others tweet. That is, this is Dr. Dobra's tweet, and I am retweeting it. Since Akshat subscribed to me, this retweet should be visible to Akshat. So we see here there is a retweet. This is retweet. Retweet is true. I'm doing it as a retweet, and this shows that retweet also works. Finally, I want to show direct messaging. This feature is I have to. Hello, Banu. How are you? So I just need to provide the recipient ID. Then once I provide, it should come to here. So here we can see hello one, how are you from Akshat, heading message received. So direct messaging is also working fine. And one last thing we want to show you is, consider the person logs out of this system and he logs into another system. Let's say another PC. Since we have already registered an account, I am opening that account directly by using login, and it is Banu. The password is 123. So if there is any direct message to Banu, it should not go to the back terminal, or it should be served to this terminal. So let's say there is a PM, and welcome back. We send to Manu, and we can see here that it is still intact. This shows that in whichever terminal or whichever device he's using, we are keeping the progress, and we will be delivering to the recent device he has been using. And one last thing is error handling. For example, he logs in, and while trying to log in, he entered maybe wrong password. Say here will show that please enter a valid username and password, and error invalid credentials. This shows that all the expectations were met, and just go through the current requirements. Yeah, we have implemented a JSON based API. We can see that all the information here is going as a JSON. Next, you need to rewrite the parts as the Twitter engine to implement a WebSocket interface. Yes, we are using currently client and server mechanism rather than directly implementing a simulator. And yes, we have used WebSockets for this. The next thing, and this video shows how we are running it, and various implementation details. Let's give a short code walkthrough to close this video. So here, this is data definitions file, and this file has various types we have used in both server and the client. So once we go to the server, um, here we have the WebSocket. We have only one URL that creates the socket, and then socket decides the message based on the call. So this matches the socket, and it creates a web actor for that socket, and then it sends the request. It don't filters the request here. Then it is the duty of the web socket to get exact credentials from the message, exact details from the message, to deserialize, and then serve to the coordinator or respective user if the user is already there. So these various things show how we deserialize the object, we create appropriate data format, and then we'll send to the user. Finally, if there is any response from users, then this WebSocket will convert that into a JSON again, serialize the object, and then send it back to the client, and then client again deserializes this to show how things are working, what information we got from the server. So here we have logic for various things like register, login, logout, new follower, subscriber, tweet, retweet, direct message, notifications, querying, and all these things. So this is about so here we have stored various databases and their respective properties. Finally, this is about the client, where client starts, and once the client starts, it creates the connection with the WebSocket, with available WebSocket, and then we will wait for the user input. Once user gives any input, we will perform this send async actions to speak with the server, and then once the server returns back anything, we will process this and showcase it to the user as an output. So this is how entire thing works. So thank you for watching the video.